Hello my crafty friends, how are you all? This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous Kumkum chawal box for upcoming festive season, and this is made using paper quilling decoration and the base is completely handmade. Isn't it looking very pretty? And to open this we just need to slide this and ta-da! You can get your kumkum and roli chawal inside the box. Isn't it a great idea? So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking this white cardstock circle which measures 6 cm in diameter, and we need to stick 4 these kind of cardstock circles with each other to make the thick base. Now it's quite thick. Now here I am taking white cardstock strip which measures 60 by 1.4 centimeters. I have joined 2 strips together to make the long strip. And now just adding little glue on the edge of this circle all around, and then I am going to stick this cardstock strip around this to make the box. Add glue at the end, just secure it and the box is ready. Now I'm just taking one pattern paper circle and going to stick it inside the box. This pattern paper is newly launched pattern paper by Dress My Craft. I'm just in love with this paper pack. And now here I have this tape roll and I'm going to add my box inside this. So this measures 8 cm in diameter. And you can directly use tape roll if you have, or you can create the box just like we did before. So I am using tape roll for the outer layer. And now I am going to stick one more 8 cm diameter circle in the base just to cover it. So with both the process you can make the box using tape rolls or just by using cardstocks. And now I am going to stick my small box inside this big box. Since we are going to do slider mechanism for the lid, that's why we have to make 2 boxes so that we will have the hollow space between 2 boxes. Now to cover this I am going to add this ring. Inner diameter is 6 cm and outer diameter is 8 cm, and I am going to stick it on top of the box like this. It will cover our hollow space and it will look like a complete box together. Now here I have 2 white cardstock rings and 1 pattern paper ring. So I'm going to adhere all 3 rings together. And then on top of this I am going to stick this ring. So before sticking we just need lid also. So here I have 2 circles which are having 8 cm diameter and it will come on top of this. So first I am just adding both the circles together to make thick lid. Then taking the rings and lid together, first I am going to make one hole on the ring using 2 mm hole punch machine. Like this. Just taking it out. And now put your lid on top of this and mark the whole portion using pencil. And then exactly on the same place I am going to punch one more time. Like this. And then gather both together, and I will pass one small 4 mm metal brad through this. From backside I'm just opening the brad, and can you see how easily we can slide this? So just for this mechanism we have to make hollow box. And now it's time to adhere the ring with the box. Just burnishing it very well using bone folder, and it's working absolutely fine. Now inside the box I am just making partition. So to create the partition we need some cardstock and pattern paper strips. So here I have already prepared these strips, and this measures 7 by 1.3 centimeters. So I'm just going to attach all these strips together. And then I'm just taking back my box and curving this strip from both the sides just like S shape. Since the glue is wet, so you can twist the strip very easily. And now I'm just trying to fix it in the box, and it's fitting perfectly. So it's time to adhere this with the glue. So in the bottom I'm just adding little glue and also adding little glue on both the edges, and then sticking it inside the box. Like this. So the box with lid is ready. Now I'm just coloring the outer portion of this using pink chalk paint. This is the baby pink chalk paint, and here I have used tape roll, that's why I'm coloring it. You can also attach one strip of cardstock around this, but I don't want to increase the dimension of the box, that's why I'm just coloring it. And after coloring it will look like this, very nice and finished. Now in the bottom I'm adding little glue, and I'm going to stick this beautiful paper doily in the bottom. I have used pink and gold mirror cardstock to make the doily, and this die is from Little Birdie. This is just for the decoration. Like this. Then to decorate the box from outer side I am making some quilling shapes, and for this shape I am taking half strip of golden, half strip of white color and one strip of baby pink color in 3 mm, and just making one tight leaf shape. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. In the same way I have already prepared some more. Now just adding glue on this outer edge, and I am going to attach these leaf shapes one by one. So here this is done, and I have added total 24 these type of coils. It's looking super cute. Now I am going to add one more paper doily on top of the box that is on the lid, and this die is from Dress My Craft. Here again I have used medium pink cardstock and gold mirror cardstock. So I'm just sticking it like this, and now it's time to decorate the top. Here I have some silver color half cut pearls, so I'm going to attach it all around this doily design so that the brad will not look alone in a metal pearl look. That's why I'm just trying to match my pearls with the brad, and it will look like a complete design, so no one will recognize that you have attached the brad in one corner. It will just look like the decoration part. And now I am making one cute quilling rose. So for the first petal I am taking one strip of baby pink colored 3mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Then for the next petal I am taking 1.5 strip of pink color and I am making again tight teardrop shape. And then for the last shape I am taking 2 strips of baby pink color and making one tight teardrop shape. Then I am shaping all 3 designs using my quilling mold and making a dome shape for 3 teardrops, adding glue inside this and spreading it using brush. So we need 3 small petals, 5 medium petals and 7 large petals. Now here I have this small paper circle which I am going to add exactly in the center of the design. This I cut using same pink cardstock. So using glue I am just sticking it exactly in the center. And then I am taking silicone rubber glue, adding one small amount of glue in the center, spreading it using stick evenly, and then I will start making my rose. So first I will add all 3 petals in the center, then medium petals around this and largest petal on the outer layer. And the cute rose is ready. Allow it to dry for 1 day completely. And super easy and super beautiful slider Kumkum box is ready. It will enhance the beauty of your Rakhi platter so much, and I'm sure you will try this very soon. I have filled it with Kumkum and roli chawal, and it's looking very amazing and very easy to operate. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.